we're gonna go for a hike.
Yeah. We've been getting up every morning and going for walks, and so now that we're back in LA, we're gonna find outdoor spaces that we can go walk in, which is nice because we're close to Griffith Park and there's stuff around. But today is not Griffith Park, it's Fryman Canyon.
Yeah, we went on really great hikes up in Northern California almost daily, and then while we were on the Central Coast, we went for walks daily, and we found some great hikes, so we decided to kind of continue that sort of trend here in LA. And I know that when people think Los Angeles, they don't typically think, let's go for a hike on a nature trail. But you would be surprised how many different outdoor hiking trails you can find.
So we're gonna find them.
And show them to you.
And go walk on them.
Yes. Today's is, like Ryan said, Fryman Canyon.
That's it.
Here we go. Oh. So there's this one main trail, but there's so many little offshoots that go up one direction or another, and I have no idea where they go to. I'll have to explore each one of them at some point. But for now, we're just gonna hike the main trail. Yeah, we're still hiking up, and what goes up must come down, so eventually the last half of our walk will be Ryan was filming a hummingbird that we saw sitting on a tree branch, and then the little guy took off after a bird much bigger than itself to chase it off its territory. I don't know if you guys know this, but hummingbirds are notoriously vicious little darts. The path keeps going, and I kind of want to just jog around the corner, see where it goes.
Man, the wind really whips through the canyon. Uh-oh. Sue disappeared. I better go find her.
It's hard to discover a path and then not know where it's gonna end up. So I at least have to go around to this other point really quick while Ryan's filming off that other point. And then I'll see if it just keeps going and going, or if there's an end to the trail. Part of me is like, please let there be an end. Or else I'll just keep going. And here we go, back down the other side. It's a runner with a very angry face. Did you notice that nobody who's running ever looks happy?
Yeah, it's because they're not.
They always look like super angry or sick or in pain.
It's because they are. So that's that. We're done. Back in the car.
Back in the car.
In a full parking lot.
As predicted, the parking lot is full. It
Because
is
people are stupid.
9 o'clock.
Well, because LA is stupid. Because there's lots of people.
So bitter. But yes, the parking lot is full. We've done the hike. It was
Yep.
great, beautiful, peaceful.
Loud. There are jets flying over all the time.
All the time.
Many people around here are very angry about that. But that's what happens when you live in the middle of a big city with airports on all sides.
I guess we should give up our spot to somebody who's been driving around looking for one.
No. They're just gonna have to wait.
Let's go home and take a nap.
Ooh, nap time. So, we will see you later.
Yep.
Bye.